because of fear and anxiety due to noise pollution in coastal belt, particularly in Asagaon Baiwan, Kiki's Bar and Restaurant, playing loud music at night, spilling into early morning beyond permissible decibels. Noise pollution in that area and coastal belt impacts the studies of students, health of senior citizens, and also impacts on autistic children who suffer from sleep disturbances and convulsions due to the loud music. People are frustrated by filing complaints after complaints every day. This is open defiance to the directives of the High Court and the regulations of the Goa State Pollution Control Board. No location should be a 24/7 entertainment zone. There is a right of peaceful living. The threat emanates in the Baga Kalangut belt. The Honorable Minister may instruct and issue to the police for enforcement and go for enhancement or punishment. Or particular now, जे पढ़ाई सांगला की म्हणून till early morning थिंगा daily थिंग साइडी लोक रावता आणि इतले कंप्लेन दिल्या पासून तुगे डिपार्टमेंट एक्ट जायना. माझे स्ट्रिक्टली मा नोटेड म्हणा माझे स्ट्रिक्टली
स्पीकर सर हांव पुलिशेक इंस्ट्रक्शन दिता स्ट्रिक्टली वचून चेक कर
डेली चलता
आजूच धाडटा.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.